Well, here it is, 2024 Topps Chrome Sapphire Edition. I believe 8 packs, 4 cards per pack. One guaranteed autograph per box. And here we go. Let's see what we can do here. Man, maybe we can get something decent, and we can see. It's one autograph. Lots of good rookies in 2024. Packs are very simple. Boom, there we go. They are open now. Yeah. Take a look at this. All right, let's get ripping. Just going to put the special cards in the stands. I think what we'll do is we'll just kind of stack these things up. And we're going to start off with Randall Cunningham. Wow, how about that? Take a look in the 4 cards. We're all blue. Okay, so looks like we got some Chad Johnson. Little retro stuff there. And Las Vegas. Look at that. That's kind of cool. And Powers Johnson. And, all right. Let's hopefully we do a little better in the next pack. Steve Atwater. And we got something pink in there. We got Fred Taylor. Okay. And, all right. Here we go. Let's see what we get. We got, wow. 1 of 1, baby. Look at that. That is pretty awesome. So there is my autograph card. Man, oh man. Look at that baby. 1 of 1. We're gonna fully put it in a holder and move on here. And that is the first 1 of 1 card I have pulled in a while. But, defensive player, so I can't imagine it's worth too much, but we will find out. Okay, and we take a look, and they're all blue. Oh, Terry Bradshaw. How in the heck did I get Terry Bradshaw? I haven't opened one of those in a while. Eddie George. Wow. Okay. All right. Ooh, we got something there. We got a Howie Long. How about that? Charles. And we got a gold one in here. And we got Marvin Harrison Jr. Very cool. And it's 34 out of 50. Tony Hill. All right. Put him up there. All right. Boom. And we take a look, and they're all blue again. We're running out of packs here. Mario Williams. We got a Doug Williams, D'Angelo Hall, Edrin Cooper. That very cool rookie card, like that. Green Bay, the linebacker there, and next pack, all blue. Dante Hall. Lots of defense. We're doing a lot of defense. Michael Hall Jr. All right. This pack all blue again. Wow. So I only got 2 non-blue ones. We got Bruce Smith on here. Jason Taylor. Wow. And Carson there. Defense, defense, defense. All right, well, last pack. And, okay, good. Not all blue. Thank goodness. Oh, Muhammad. How about that? That's a cool card. All right, let's take the one from the back. Walker. Nice. Baltimore. All right. This one. 3 of 5. All right. We got ourselves a running back. Nice. How about that? Well, that looks like that's not too shabby. It expensive box. Not too impressive though as far as the amount of cards you get anymore. I usually like to stick with the older stuff, but the newer stuff is fun to open, let me tell you. So I'm going to review what we got here. Here's our 1 of 1. Nice, huh? That. And we'll get this one in a holder too. Cool. Well, thanks for watching. Do appreciate it. Please follow, like, and subscribe, all that fun stuff. And we'll keep doing this.